The fourth edition of Shillong Literary Festival began at the picturesque Wards Lake today. The festival was inaugurated by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and was attended by Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh, renowned poet and novelist Vikram Seth, and acclaimed author Shobha De. The event marked the beginning of a celebration that showcases the rich literary and cultural heritage of Meghalaya. In his address, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that the main objective of the literary festival is to bring our writers together and provide them a platform in the form of a literary festival which would encourage them to share their work.
Ever think that I'm not that good, please give it a shot. Go ahead with what you believe and what you feel for, and I'm sure that this particular festival will give you that platform to really explore those opportunities that you and the passion that you have. So with these words, wishing you all the very best, thanking all our writers who have come here today and the organizing committee for a wonderful program. Thank you very much.
While attending the